Hello everyone, today I will be testing the Viltrox 33mm T1.5 lens for Sony E-mount. This lens was made for APS-C and doesn't feature autofocus. I will be testing it on both full frame and APS-C mode. The lens itself has a long smooth focus ring throw and a 14 blade aperture. The aperture isn't damp though. You can clearly hear the metal clanking when you hit the maximum and minimum stops. Whenever I turn it like this, you can hear metal clanking, but on the other side it's not that bad. Here's some sample footage while using the lens on a Sony A7 II on APS-C mode. Of course, it's still usable on full frame mode, but you will encounter severe vignetting. You can either fix this by setting your camera to zoom at 1.2 or 1.3. But if you have a Sony A7 III or Sony A7S III and newer cameras, they usually have a zoom whenever you enable your active steady shot, so go use that. And in editing, you just zoom it by around 1.2 to 1.25 to remove the vignetting, and you'll end up with a slightly wider image. After you're done cropping, the end result should look something like this. For the image testing, I'll just leave this on you. You be the judge. Although, as far as I can tell, the vignetting disappears at around f2.8.